This is Team L Green, and today we are going to present about red house.
Our research background are blue and red light increases rate of photosynthesis, which is important to increase crop yield and to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Various effects of those light have been shown on plant growth, development, photosynthesis, and food production, but most of those research have been mainly focused on vegetables, fruits, flowers, as well as cannabis.
The problem statements for this experiment is 1. There are no any studies yet on effects of monochrome blue light, monochrome red light, and magenta light on cereal plants. The second problem statement is inefficient food production requires cutting down large area of forest for agriculture. Deforestation increases atmospheric greenhouse gases, leading to climate change. Climate change has increased frequency and magnitude of natural disasters such as heat waves, droughts, flooding that destroys crops. The third problem statement is 2/3 of the world's food energy intake is from staple food, which are rice, maize, and wheat. The cereal yields need to increase by 60% by 2050, but their current growth is falling short of target, especially for rice and wheat. The last problem statement is scale of the current global hunger and malnutrition crisis is enormous, as evidenced in 79 of the countries in which World Food Programme works. More than 345 million people face high levels of food insecurity in 2023, which is more than double of the number in 2020.
Our research objectives are, first, to compare the effects of monochrome blue light, monochrome red light, and magenta light wavelengths on rate of photosynthesis in rice plant. Second, to determine the optimum light wavelength for highest rate of photosynthesis in rice plant.
It is also to help farmers maximize rice yield on less land, to reduce global hunger and malnutrition through efficient food production, and to minimize greenhouse gas emissions that are linked to climate change.
Materials and method. The first one, we need to cut 4 6 liters of empty water containers into 2 parts. The top is 20 cm and the base is 10 cm. Next, cover each internal parts of the tops with different colors of transparent cellophane color filter, colorless, blue, red, and magenta. The third step is soak rice seeds for 24 hours, then filter the rice seeds and leave them to dry for 24 hours. Fill 2-inch height of the base with watery clay topsoil. Plant the rice seed with 1-inch distance between other. Water them every day until the 10th day. From the 10th day onwards, maintain 1 inch of water above the soil. The fourth step is on 20th day. Place 20 cm of hydrogen carbonate indicator inside each of the rice plant container and cover each of them with the different tops, colorless, blue, red, magenta. Leave them for 6 hours. Then check the color of the hydrogen carbonate to determine the concentration of carbon dioxide produced in each of the containers. Record the results. Red light is the best to increase the rate of photosynthesis for rice plant. This can increase crop yields, which can also reduce global hunger.
So in conclusion, monochrome red light has the best wavelength of light to increase photosynthesis that increase crop yield. Also, we have found the perfect balance between food and nutrition, as well as protecting the environment and climate for sustainable food system and the use of management of land and water. For suggestion, invent our project setting to add ventilation system, irrigation system, as well as monitoring system, such as temperature controllers and humidity sensors to optimize climate factors for maximum growth and yield of rice crops. Used to improve growth of wheat crops because wheat production is also falling short of target due to the same problem faced in rice production.
We would like to thank our teacher for guiding us through our process of building this project and every single member in this group for contributing their energy and time to make this project come true. Thank you.